Hi, I'm Kaniksha, co-founder of Casa Use. So we work with all hand block printed fabrics, and all these fabrics are from Rajasthan and Gujarat. So our aim is to bring Indian handicrafts to daily wardrobes. So we make all these dresses. So these are all in pure cotton, all hand block printed, and all our dresses come with pockets in them. And we are a size inclusive brand, so we do sizes from double extra small to 6XL. So these dresses are something that you can wear for your daily wear, your office wear. So you can see this is all Bagru hand block print. This is an Ajrak hand block print. So here we have used three different kind of fabrics. So one, we have this print, this is a geometrical print. Then we have given a booty print at the bottom, and then we have another print on the sleeves. Then there's another one here on the lines. So this is a combination of lot of prints, so you get a beautiful fit. So this is also something which you can style for your everyday wear. So this is how it looks from the back. This particular piece is in modal silk, so and this is with Ajrak hand block print. Here we have given hand embroidery, so all this, there's a detailing on the collar which is all hand stitched by our women artisans. And then this is a beautiful piece, it's a free size, so this is something everyone can wear. We have these cuffs and they have these fabric button detailing, so this is a very different piece which you can style in various ways. So this is asymmetrical, so we have a cut here which gives it a very nice fall. So this is a long A-line dress. This is in hand block printed fabric. This has a beautiful teal and pink combination. So these are all vegetable natural dyes, and it also comes with a front pocket. We have a beautiful V-neck which is in gota detailing, and there's all sequence work on it as well. And the same different fabric you see at the back as well. It has a nice fall. This is also again in pure cotton. So all these dresses are for your everyday wear. So it has a nice flowy with a big ghera, and it's sleeveless, and again it has the hand embroidery on it. This is also done by a woman artisans. This is Bagru hand block print, so it's a beautiful combination, black and off-white. And then this, we have another fabric at the bottom. This is again Bagru hand block print. So this fabric we try to use from the leftover fabric, so there is no wastage. So this is from another piece that we made, and it also comes with pockets on the side. Most of our designs are in A-line. So A-line is something which is a very body flattering design and looks really good on Indian body types. So here we have a A-line maxi shirt dress. So all these buttons are functional, and we also give an anti-gap button, so which gives you a good fitting, and you don't have to worry about anything. This is a full length dress. So this is something you can style for your everyday wear, for your office wear. And it has this roll up sleeve detailing as well, which gives a very smart look, and comes with a Chinese collar. So this, you can style it in multiple ways. So we try to make things which you can style in very different ways. So this you can style as a dress, as a shrug. So you can choose it which way you want to dress. And it also comes with side pockets, and we have all these dresses available in sizes from double extra small to 6XL, so it's for everyone. This is a very special piece. So these are single pieces which we specially get printed. So this is batik hand block printing. So this is in Chanderi. So this is a kaftan. So this is something which is good for your small functions. You can even wear it for your office. And this has a sequence detailing. This is also free size, and this is how it looks like from the back. It gives a very nice fall, and anyone can wear it, so people can share it as well. And it will be a very different piece which only you will have in your wardrobe. So we also make these dresses. So this is something you can wear for your college, for your office, for your everyday going out. So it has a elastic detailing. It's a square neck with elastic detailing on the neck, on the chest, so it gives you a beautiful fit, and comes with a beautiful puff sleeves as well. So this is all rapid hand block print which is done in Jaipur, Rajasthan. and it's in pure cotton, and it comes with pockets on both sides. And this is how it looks like from the back. It is a beautiful combination of mint green and pink, which is a perfect summer color. So this is a Ajrak hand block printed kaftan. With Ajrak hand block print, we have done a hand embroidered patchwork. So this is all hand embroidered, done by women artisans. This is all Ajrak indigo Ajrak fabric, which looks beautiful on everyone, and this is all hand embroidered patchwork. So we have women artisans who do hand embroidery on cloth, and you get beautiful detailing on the neck and sleeves. So when you say kaftans are just for home wear, so we did not want kaftans to just be home wear, so this is something you can wear outside as well. So this is how it looks from the front. So how it does, and it's a beautiful indigo and red combination, which is one of the best combinations that you can get. This shirt kaftan, which comes with front pockets in pure cotton, so this is something you can style both as a dress with pants, as a kurta, and it's great for your everyday wear. So all these are front buttons, so which makes it very comfortable yet stylish at the same time. It's in pure cotton, and this is all handwork printed. So this has a beautiful geometric design in red and white, which are classic colors, and they look good on everybody. So this is something you can wear on your evening walks just to lounge around. And these are the front pockets. This looks really nice and comes with a Chinese collar, which gives it a very smart look and dressed up look. So this is one of tiered dresses. So this comes with a beautiful big ghera, big flare, and it comes with the tie up sleeves. So this is something which helps you in adjustment, and it gives a very good fit. So it has a beautiful floral print. So this is all Sanganeri rapid print, which again happens in Rajasthan. And then we have a stitching unit in Delhi. So we make sure that everything is stitched properly and you get the best comfort and best fitting. And this also comes with pockets, and this is something you can style in so many ways. You can just wear it as a dress, you can wear a t-shirt, and then you can wear this dress over it. So all our things are kept in mind that you can style it in various different ways. So these are zero waste accessories. So whatever fabric is left over after the production of our dresses, we make small items out of them. So we have like these diaries, we have specs, covers, and a lot of more things. So one of the things we are trying to do is to be a zero waste brand, so we can reduce the wastage of fabric, and this is something we really like to do as well. So we have a lot of these small things which are great for gifting as well, available with us with our new collection. So we are available on Instagram as well, and please do visit it. The Instagram ID is Kasahues, which is KASAAHUES. Thank you so much for listening.